Hello students, today I am going to explain about male reproductive organs in human. The male reproductive organs in human are testes, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis. Testes. Testes are pinkish oval organs lies inside the scrotum. The scrotum lies outside the abdominal cavity so that temperature of testes remain 2 to 3 degrees Celsius below than temperature of body, which is needed to produce sperm. There are 3 layers to cover testes. These are outer tunica vaginalis, medial tunica albuginea, and inner layer tunica vasculosa. There are 200 to 300 testicular lobules in testes. Each lobule is composed of 1 to 4 coiled seminiferous tubules. The tubules are lined with germinal epithelial cells. These epithelial cells produce sperm by the process of spermatogenesis. Sertoli cells supply nourishment to develop sperms. There are interstitial cells, cell of Leydig, in between seminiferous tubules and connective tissue. The interstitial cells produce androgen, which promotes development of male sex organs and control male sex features like moustache, beard, change of voice. Epididymis. It is funnel-like convoluted about 6 meter long tube. Broad part of anterior epididymis is called caput epididymis. Middle narrow part is corpus epididymis. Posterior end is cauda epididymis. It stores the sperm and secrete fluid to nourish sperm. Vasa deferens. It arises from cauda epididymis. It forms a loop around urinary bladder and join within duct of seminal vesicle. It forms ejaculatory duct with seminal vesicle. Carry sperm from testes to seminal vesicles. Ejaculatory duct. There are 2 sorts formed by the union of duct from a seminal vesicle and vasa deferens. They carry the mixture of sperm and secretion of seminal vesicle. Urethra. It is 20 cm long, arises from urinary bladder and joins the ejaculatory duct to urinogenital duct. It discharges urine and semen both. Penis is copulatory organ of human. It is made up of 3 columns of spongy tissue, 2 dorsal carbonosa and 1 ventral corpora spongiosum. Enlarged tip of penis is called glans. Penis, which is highly sensitive. Penis deposits the semen in vagina with spermatozoa. Accessory glands. It consists of seminal vesicles. These are 2 pouches like below posteriorly of urinary bladder and open into ejaculatory duct. These secrete and expel a viscous fluid which keep sperms alive. Prostate gland. It lies behind urinary bladder. It secretes thin milky substances, occupy about 30% volume of semen. Cowper's gland. The Peyer's gland lies below the prostate glands. Their alkaline secretion lubricates the semen flow. Erection of penis. Erection is caused by the dilation of blood vessels, a blood vessel resulting collection of more blood, space of spongy tissue. About 3 ml of semen is discharged by penis in its ejaculation during copulation. Dear students, please thank you and please subscribe and share this channel.